channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Y'all, I'm gonna try to hurry up and do a short and sweet. So if this comes out really fast, it's because I'm in a really big hurry. But I wanted to try to do one before I go to work. So let's go ahead and tap in. Let's see, angels, ancestors, Most High God, what is it that you want us to hear, know, and see this morning? I hope you guys are doing well. Hope everything is going great for you guys. What is today? Wednesday. It's hump day. I hope you guys are having a great hump day. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to see. But I guess it's just my lip is shining because I got this gloss on. This gloss is glossing. Okay. This lip gloss is popping. Okay. The Queen of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. Freedom. Freedom. Okay. You guys are broken free. Okay. You guys have broken free. Okay. The energy could feel different today. Like you could feel light on your feet. Okay. You could feel light as a feather. All right. Something like that is significant. All right. But you could feel very light. Like I woke up, I feel real light. I feel like I can do something. You know what I mean? Like I don't feel weighed down. I don't feel heavy. I don't feel tired. I feel rested. And I feel like I have a lot of energy. So your energy could be on the increase or the rise. Okay. All right. The Eight of Swords. Okay. The Eight of Swords. Wow. So something about your rank or your position, your authority, I'm hearing, could have someone feeling intimidated, inferior, bothered, afraid, fearful. I'm hearing all those. Okay. I'm hearing all of those things. All right. I'm not sure what it is about your energy or what it is about your rank or your position or your seat. You're sitting, based off what I can see and how these cards are laying, is you're seated in a very powerful position. Okay. You're seated in a very powerful position. I see someone having, like, I don't know, it's giving like as if this person was, say like back in the days when we had kings and queens, right? And it's like the somebody would have to come to the queen to ask the queen something. I see someone being afraid to come towards you to ask you something or to present something to you. Okay? Because you're coming out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the way you're seated. It's like somebody has to come towards you and they have to either perform or they have to tell you something or they have to present something or bring something to you. But it's like they are shaking in their boots. But they're there before you. They have shown up. Okay, what am I seeing? It's given like, remember the song, Remember the Time by Michael Jackson? And it was Eddie Murphy and then his wife, right? And they were the king and the queen. And it's like people had to come before them, come in front of them and like perform. They had to be entertained, right? And if they weren't entertained, then the queen would like, I don't know what she did, but she would tell him like, nah, that's not it. And so I don't know if something like that is going on in some way. Like take it as it resonates, but it's giving that type of vibe. Like, I don't know, somebody could be putting on a show and it's like, the queen is not pleased, okay? The queen is not pleased. It's like, that's not it. I'm not entertained, okay? Or something like that. I'm getting that. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. It's like they're being told to leave. Somebody's being dismissed from a space because something they presented or a show they put on is not pleasing whoever this queen is or this member of royalty, okay? This could be even a chosen one, okay? The Ten of Swords. It's like whatever this person was doing to try to entertain someone or entertain the chosen or entertain, I don't know. I'm hearing run interference. Somebody was trying to run interference. It's like the crowd or the queen or the court is not pleased, okay? It's like, no, that's not it. There's some facts of evidence that have been provided. Speaking of court, we had the spiritual court on Monday, okay? And something that I did, yeah, there it is. Wow, the Hierophant, that's the court, okay? That's law. So speaking, they want me to tell you this thing because I was holding it. I wasn't going to say nothing. But some receipts have been presented to the court. Proof, okay? Video proof, photographic proof has been presented to the court about a court case. Maybe that was pending. I feel like somebody tried to file an appeal on a court case because they didn't like the original ruling. And then it's like the other party brought proof. So before, it's like this court case was able to be put off. It was able to be delayed. But now it's not being delayed anymore, okay? Because there's proof now, okay? And so because these receipts have been dropped, or this proof, photographic or video proof, has been released to the courts and counsel, it's like now there's no more trying to appeal. There's no more trying to defend their... So this is this person that knows this. This is who this is coming before this court, or this member of royalty, or I'm going to say court. This woman could be a judge, okay? Or she could work, like she could be an attorney. I don't know. But whoever this is, so you know how you have the plaintiff and you have the defendant or respondent, plaintiff and the respondent. I'm not even going to try to break it down in that way, but there's two parties here. You have a plaintiff, somebody who filed the case, and then you have the respondent, the person who's supposed to respond to the case. You could have filed a case on someone or something like that, and someone tried to appeal the judgment. Maybe they were saying there was no proof. And then someone came into court and brought proof. So now the case can no longer be delayed. I'm also hearing denied. It can no longer be denied or delayed. Okay. So there's proof. Somebody done drop receipts, okay, on this court case. And so that's why this person is afraid. Okay. The star card is here. And it's like, you're so the chosen. I was saying the chosen one. So the chosen one here could have been the plaintiff, and the respondent was trying to delay judgment. But now that the receipts have been dropped, this case can no longer be delayed. Yeah, because the Five of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. So this person, the defendant, was trying to, the defendant or respondent was trying to sabotage the case or get it thrown out, or I'm hearing acquittal. They wanted to be acquitted. Okay, I just heard acquittal, but it's not going that way because these receipts done got dropped. Before, there was no proof. There was just word of mouth, from my mouth to their mouth, or your mouth to their mouth, that this occurred, that this happened, that this was something that was occurring. Okay, baby, I'll call you back. I'm doing a reading. All right. So before, there was no proof, right? The Five of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Maybe there was no proof that somebody was trying to do something with your money, or there was no proof that somebody had I don't know, something like they battled you on some level. It could have been on a financial level. There's no proof. There was no proof that somebody tried to battle you financially, or take your money, or steal your inheritance, or rob you blind, or take from you. Okay, there was no proof, but that's over now. There's proof now. There's evidence now. So now what? The Moon. So it's ending this illusion. So the illusion that an appeal could be filed, the illusion that the case could be delayed, all of that has come to its cease. And it happened with this full moon. A lot came out during this full moon eclipse. Okay, the Queen of Cups. A lot came out during this full moon eclipse. Okay. So what is the Queen of Cups doing? What's this Queen of Cups energy? The Ten of Pentacles, granting you, for somebody here, you're being granted a divorce. For someone else, you're being granted judgment. It's like now judgment can proceed. Now it's going in your favor. Now it can't be denied. Now you're receiving with the Queen of Cups comes through as a supporting energy. Now you're being supported. Now your case is being taken seriously. Now it's being upheld. Now things can progress forward. Okay, before things were being held back, delayed, slowed down, but now movement with the Eight of Wands. Now movement. Now you guys can look forward to this door being closed in the near future. Now you can look forward to a final judgment. It's like now things can move forward. Okay, there's movement here. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, now destiny. This could have had to do with a will. Somebody could have left you some money in a will and somebody was contesting it, or something like that. But like they found the will now. Now here's the proof. Like the receipts have been dropped. The evidence has been brought in. So it can't be denied anymore. The judge can't deny it. The judge can't be like, well, we don't have enough proof. We don't know. We can't have, this is not a case that's going to be in limbo anymore. This is a case that's about to be resolved. Okay. Justice. Wow. You're getting justice. Libra, big Libra energy. Okay. You're receiving justice here. So I could see this case wrapping up by Libra season. So by Libra season, this case could be wrapping itself up. Okay. By Libra. You could be getting the final judgment on this, because it's like now the case can be reviewed properly. We have the supporting evidence. That's what the court is saying. We have the documents we need to prosecute. Okay, this person. All right. Oh, the devil. All right, the devil. So this person, it could be a Capricorn, or it could just be somebody who was just in their shadow, wanting to go to war with you behind something that they know that they did, but they wanted to delay it. They didn't want you to receive justice. They didn't want people to believe that it had even been done. They wanted to, this person was denied. They were in denial. They were denying that they had ever did anything to you. This person was like trying to tell people and have people believing that they never did anything to you. The Four of Wands. That they never tried to affect your stability. That they never tried to manipulate your energy. That they never tried to tear down your foundation in whatever way. This could have been somebody that came for your job. This could have been somebody that, like I said, did something with your money. They could have stolen money out of your bank account. This could be somebody that just didn't want to move on and was delaying a divorce. This could be somebody like maybe you have a lot of property with someone. They didn't want to split up the property. Maybe they were holding on to paperwork proving what property they had, and you came with the bank statements. You're like, here it is right here. This is their account balance. This is the, you know what I'm saying? Or something like that. It's like whatever proof was needed for this case to move forward, now it's been provided. This video evidence, or this photographic evidence, or this paperwork, these receipts, whatever it is, the court has them now. And it's like your case is looking pretty solid with the Four of Wands. Okay. It's looking pretty solid, because how can someone deny photographic evidence? How can somebody deny something that's video? How can someone deny something that is you know what I'm saying, like straight from the bank, straight from whatever this is? It's like, how can they deny it? Yeah, judgment is here. So a decision's about to be made. Whatever this case is that was being delayed for whatever reason, due to someone's denial or negligence, or somebody feeling like, you know, I don't know. This person kind of felt like the more people they could get on their team to believe a lie, then the less chances they had of you receiving justice. They were not counting on you providing. They were not counting on you providing any type of proof or evidence. They were not expecting this. This caught them and the courts completely off guard. Now you had to do it in the right way. Like, you had to follow the proper change as far as getting it to them. But the thing is, you're the one that filed the case. So you're like, here's my supporting evidence. So somebody has provided this supporting evidence. This case is moving forward and a judgment is going to be rendered. And the Ace of Cups. Yes. Big yes energy right there. Big yes energy for me. And it's going in your favor. The ruling is in your favor. Judgment, the Ace of Cups. This is a favorable outcome for you. Okay? This is a favorable outcome for you. They're like, what's at the bottom of the deck? The World card. Okay? But I need one more card just to hit this corner pocket over here. Somebody could shoot pool. Okay, a whole bunch of cards came out, but the Ten of Cups is here. I'm going to put it back, but I just need one card, Spirit. But, yeah, this is putting an end to this illusion, honey. Okay, you're going to notice a lot of people trying to backpedal. You're going to notice a lot of people trying to do damage control. You're going to notice a lot of people trying to plead their case. Okay, honey. The proof is in the evidence. And the evidence, these receipts, they done been dropped. They done been released. So whatever this is, it can't be held up no more. Okay. I feel like somebody thought time was on their side. Something about statute of limitation. Like they thought that, okay, as long as I draw this out, the longer I draw this out, then the court will just drop it. The court is not dropping this. Not this one. The Seven of Swords. Not this one. Because this deception ran too deep. It ran too deep. Somebody did too much for too long. And then on top of being in denial about what they did or trying to deny it, on top of that, they also lied to the courts. So the courts is taking this in some type of way. The courts is like, wait a minute, you've been lying to us this whole time. You had us filing an appeal and doing this on your behalf and approving this and that, all because you were trying to, like, the court then caught on to this person's, what they were trying to do. The court is like, wait a minute, so you've been delaying this all because of, you know what I'm saying? It's like, oh no. So it's almost like they're going to speed it up because they don't even want to play with this person no more. Because they see what this person was doing. I'm hearing cunning. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, the path is, it's done cleared up. This path is clear. It's open. It's nothing blocking the justice that's about to come through this case. Okay, it's nothing blocking this. All right, so let's pull a short and sweet. They done dropped these receipts, honey. Can't deny this no more. Can't lie no more. Can't delay this any longer. You can't hide from this no more. It's like this is like front page news right here. This can't be, you know what I'm saying? The headlines that are gonna go with whatever this court case is are newsworthy. These are okay. Short and sweet, please. This is crazy. Short and sweet. There we go. Wishing for your destiny. See what I'm saying? Look. Wishing for your destiny. That's what this person was trying to do. So when I said they was trying to fight you for your money or take something from you, your inheritance, a will, something like that, these people was wishing for your destiny. So this is somebody that could have been trying to destiny swap with you. They've lost control now. Loss of control. They're no longer in control of the situation. Because before these receipts got dropped, before this evidence came through, they had a little power. They had a little control. But now that these receipts and this evidence done got dropped, they don't have no power anymore. They've lost control, honey. Okay? This is what I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. And my loves, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.